Welcome to this quick tip video reviewing how to use device maintenance mode in WhatsUp Gold. You have the ability in WhatsUp Gold to place a device into maintenance mode if you need to perform routine maintenance on it. No activity is logged nor any polling performed on the device during this time. You have the flexibility to put a device into maintenance mode either manually or on a schedule. To manually place a device into maintenance from the My Network page, first select the device and then right-click to access the Start Maintenance option. Or, from the Device Properties page, open the Polling tab, then click the toggle to launch the Manual Maintenance dialog box. Here, you can add an expiration time that will take the device out of manual maintenance automatically. In addition, a calendar-based maintenance schedule is also available to place a device in maintenance. This option is accessible on the Polling tab. You can set the recurring schedule to take place daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. For example, if you want to place a device into maintenance on a holiday, such as New Year's Day, January 1st, choose the yearly option and enter the date. The maintenance duration by default is set to 24 hours, but you have the flexibility to adjust it by changing the start and end times. All recurring maintenance schedules are listed on the Polling tab for each device. You can also create multiple schedules for the same device or apply any schedule to other devices. To add a schedule to multiple devices, open the My Network page and select the device or devices from the map or list. Right-click or click the Action menu to access the option for Maintenance Schedule. The Maintenance Schedule dialog box allows you to copy any existing maintenance schedule to the selected devices. The device icon for a device in maintenance mode will appear inside a yellow ring along with a wrench icon. Thank you for watching this quick tip video about placing devices in and out of maintenance mode in WhatsUp Gold.